The Environmental Management Agency EMA is fined ZimCN Investments from breaching environmental regulations at its gold mining operations in Mashonaland East. The Zimbabwe Independent Killer Review. Sanabina mashkwatokona kuti aiwa kambani aiwa yema-Twin Sons vana vemutungamiri wenyika panapo vofainiwa zvatogona kuti aiwa they don't even care newelfare yetheenvironment pamwechete macitizens. They are just focused on their goal yekungoextracta maminerals then urwa basi. Sanabina mashkwamanyiko panapa uba subscribe or like on the bell kuti pampanapa kusimbodanyira chiti ZimCN widely believed to be linked to President Emmerson Mnangagwa's son's Collins operates Radna mine in the Gold Ridge Makara area. The company is at the center of an environmental disaster that saw villagers in Mutsi lose several cattle after allegedly drinking cyanide contaminated water from the Nyamusanzara River. EMA spokesperson Amkela Sirange confirmed the fine, stating that ZimCN was flagged for mining practices likely to cause pollution. The agents collected water samples for analysis, but investigations continue. An environmental protection order has been issued to enforce pollution abatement measures, said Segade. President Mnangagwa officially commissioned ZimCN's multi-million-dollar mining plant in 2022, and the state media has previously reported that Collins Mnangagwa chairs the Radna Mine Board. Ndomashukana budanyoko panapa tiona kuti aiwa their company yofainiwa anoda kuti iri kukonzeresa harm to the environment, harm to the citizens, harm to animals akaita secattle just because dzopedzera dzako kumwa aiwa water iri contaminated necyanide. But not my citizens anonyatsokuona kuti panapa they are regretting these guys kulocata their mine padhuze nedzimba dzavo. Tudze mafungo emo tikune pamusoro pechitwi chikuna comment section medu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.